going to buy some plants for our garden. You're gonna come with Callie and I, as well as my dad, Poppy. So let's go buy some plants. This is our garden. Right now we have some onions, we have some lettuce, and some thyme. Those are green onions. So we're gonna go buy some more plants, and we're gonna move this lettuce. We'll plant flowers somewhere else. You can't plant it in the garden.
Here.
This is for vegetables.
Right there, look. Yeah, you put flowers here.
Then when you're watering it, you're gonna step on it. Okay, let's go. Do we? I guess we should get one. Well, we don't know what we're buying yet. It's the wood chips, like
Mulch.
yeah, mulch. These are for the frogs?
I don't know what this is.
Oh, hi. Oh. Guava.
I don't know what guava is.
You don't want a guava?
I don't know what guava is.
What's
No, that never be. Take one and you get one guava in the family.
Oh. Time we put a birdhouse, the squirrels eat them. Here you go. We're looking for vegetable plants. Oh, here we need fine herbs.
Yeah, very cool.
Mommy, it's a sunflower.
Oh. Okay, we need yep. Zip up your vest. Your arms are still out.
My what?
Your arms are still out, so how are you gonna keep warm?
The chest, that's all.
Oh, okay.
Could we get watermelon?
You want to grow a watermelon?
I love watermelon.
Is it gonna take over the garden?
Take it, please, mommy. Please, mommy.
You wanna? But Poppy said it's not gonna grow properly. It's true. This is not the climate for watermelon to grow. That's of Quebec.
No problem.
What else do we
terrace
need?
here. There's no terrace because the terrace are real. You know that.
Yep, no tariffs here. Parsley? Yeah, parsley.
Parsley.
You can choose it. Good job. Oh, the garden's gonna be good.
This year.
What's this?
Eggplant. When you need one red hot
No,
pepper, the
these
big
are
peppers, I don't know.
Yeah, these are eggplant.
Oh, this one we want. This is sweet pepper, but why is it so much?
So they give it like that if you don't want to take the rest
For
home.
$5.99.
Oh, okay. Take it.
There's the red hot peppers, the red big peppers.
This is bell peppers.
Come. The bell peppers. Come. Take this one then.
Oh yeah, it
This is
has
better.
more.
Look at that one lean down and dying. You look for the best plants you find. Them anyway.
And I only like them in soup, so I eat them healthier.
Okay, that's it, I guess.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, let's go.
Get flowers.
No, we don't need flowers. Let's go to the cash.
Then they put the wood on top.
Yes.
You understand?
We just got the the plants for the garden. So yeah, we got those, and now we're just paying, and now we're about to leave.
So now we came to Dollarama so we can get decorations.
Mommy wasn't going to, but I said come on.
Yeah.
This?
That's not really for a garden. That's for like the front yard.
What does the garden stuff look like? Because they don't have gnomes.
That one's cute. This can, yeah, like when the wind blows, it's gonna spin.
This one and stuff?
I don't understand why all of these are $5. everything she touches. So I got some glow-in-the-dark rocks, some of these windmill thingies.
2 light up flowers and a light up rock that nobody's gonna know.
Well, first we're going to move stuff because we want it to be nice and in order. So first we're gonna move the thyme.
I don't know what that stuff.
Yeah, in the back, and then we're gonna put it to the front with the other herbs. Okay, so let's do that.
Planting our stuff right now. I'm gonna show you what it looks like so far. We're just moving all the herbs, you said it is, together.
I want to put the herbs together so that.
See. These are the herbs. I want to start planting some stuff too, so me and my mom are probably gonna switch jobs soon. Hopefully. Yeah. But I'm excited for this. And then I just made some like that. Because of all the rain we got, I also had dirt in this bucket, so I'm making like a soup now. But yeah, we're having fun while planting as a family, so.
With that.
All right. How much? I think we should put another one. That's good. Now? All right, come.
Now I have to put the thing for it to climb.
This one, which was the big cucumbers. That's why I bring this extra, because it's gonna come over here now. You understand? Like that. That's it.
It doesn't have to be straight.
No, because they're gonna climb up like that. Too straight is no good. You can't pick them.
Oh, okay. We only got one tomato.
This one.
Yeah.
This is good. 3. 4. 5.
You're not gonna put them in the garden?
In the garden.
6.
Yeah, for decoration.
I'm gonna put the flowers here.
We'll probably go back and buy those other ones.